Hello, future real estate moguls. Welcome to a journey that could change your life forever. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, invest in rental properties, or become a real estate professional, this guide is your starting point. Ever dreamed of owning a piece of the world, building wealth, and securing your financial future? Real estate offers a unique opportunity to do just that. It's not just about buying and selling properties, it's about creating a legacy and achieving financial independence. Well, you've come to the right place. Here you'll find the tools, knowledge, and inspiration you need to navigate the real estate market with confidence. From understanding market trends to negotiating deals, we've got you covered. Real estate can seem like a complicated maze, but fear not. With the right guidance, you can turn confusion into clarity. We'll help you understand the key concepts and strategies that will make you a savvy investor or a successful homeowner. This guide will break down the basics, giving you a solid foundation to start your journey. We'll cover everything from property types and financing options to market analysis and investment strategies. We're going to explore the ins and outs of real estate, from the different types of properties to financing, generating income, and building equity. You'll learn how to identify profitable opportunities and avoid common pitfalls. This guide is designed for beginners, so whether you're a complete novice or just need a refresher, get ready to become familiar with the key concepts that will empower you to make informed decisions. We'll provide practical tips and real-world examples to help you succeed. Real estate is more than just bricks and mortar. It's about creating opportunities, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom. It's about making smart choices that will benefit you and your family for years to come. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's dive into the exciting world of real estate. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to success and help you achieve your dreams. Welcome aboard! Before you jump into the market, it's essential to understand the different types of properties you can invest in. The real estate market is vast and varied, offering a multitude of options that cater to different needs, preferences, and financial goals. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an experienced investor, or someone looking to diversify their portfolio, knowing the ins and outs of each property type can make a significant difference in your decision-making process. Each comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. It's not just about the price tag. Factors like location, potential for appreciation, maintenance costs, and lifestyle fit all play crucial roles. First up, we have the single-family home, the classic symbol of homeownership. These properties are typically detached, meaning they don't share walls with any other dwelling. These standalone houses offer privacy and space, making them ideal for families or those who value their independence. With a single-family home, you often get a private backyard, which is perfect for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply enjoying some peace and quiet. Next, we have duplexes, buildings divided into two separate living units. These can be side by side or stacked one on top of the other. Duplexes offer the benefit of living in one unit while renting out the other, potentially offsetting your mortgage payments. This setup is particularly attractive for those looking to generate rental income while still maintaining a level of privacy and independence. Finally, we have condominiums and townhouses. Condos are individual units within a larger building or complex, often found in urban areas. Condos are individual units within a larger building or complex, often offering amenities like pools and gyms. These amenities can add significant value and convenience, making condo living an attractive option for those who prefer a low-maintenance lifestyle. Townhouses, on the other hand, share walls with neighboring units but typically have multiple floors and private entrances. This type of property offers a blend of the privacy found in single-family homes and the community feel of condos. Understanding the different types of properties and their unique characteristics is crucial when deciding which best suits your investment goals and lifestyle preferences. By thoroughly researching and considering all your options, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your long-term objectives and personal needs. Now, let's talk about financing, the key that unlocks the door to home ownership. Understanding financing is essential because it can make the difference between a smooth home buying experience and a stressful one. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, Knowing the ins and outs of financing will empower you to make informed decisions. Don't let the jargon intimidate you. We'll break it down into digestible pieces. Terms like interest rate, principal, and amortization might seem complex, but once you understand them, you'll feel much more confident in your financial decisions. A mortgage is simply a loan you take out to buy a property. It's a long-term commitment, usually spanning 15 to 30 years, but it allows you to own a home without paying the full price up front. Think of it as a financial partnership with a lender, like a bank. The lender provides the funds you need, and in return, you agree to pay back the loan over time with interest. Before you get a mortgage, you'll need a down payment, a percentage of the property's price you pay upfront. This initial payment shows the lender that you're serious and financially prepared to take on the responsibility of a mortgage. The down payment reduces the amount you need to borrow. Typically, a higher down payment can also help you secure better loan terms and lower interest rates. Next up is the interest rate, the percentage charged on the loan amount. Interest rates can vary based on your credit score and the type of loan and market conditions. A lower interest rate means you'll pay less over the life of the loan. Even a small difference in interest rates can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Finally, we have the monthly payment, the sum you pay each month to the lender. This payment is a combination of the principal and the interest. This payment includes both principal, the original loan amount, and interest, the lender's fee for lending you the money. Over time, as you pay down the principal, the interest portion of your payment will decrease. Understanding these financing basics is crucial when navigating the mortgage process and making informed decisions about your investment. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to choose the right mortgage for your needs and budget, ensuring a smoother path to home ownership. One of the most attractive aspects of real estate investing is the potential to generate passive income through rent. Rent is the money tenants pay you to live in your property. When you own a rental property, you become a landlord responsible for maintaining the property and managing tenant relationships. Cash flow is the difference between the rent you collect and the expenses associated with owning the property, such as your mortgage payment, property taxes, and insurance. Positive cash flow means you're making money each month, while negative cash flow means you're paying out of pocket. The goal is to find properties that generate positive cash flow, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. As you pay down your mortgage and the value of your property appreciates, you build equity, the difference between the market value of your property and the remaining mortgage balance. Let's say you purchase a property for $200,000 with a $40,000 down payment. Your initial equity is $40,000. Over time, as you make mortgage payments and the property value increases, your equity grows. If the property value rises to $250,000, and you've paid down your mortgage to $180,000, your equity increases to $70,000. Building equity is like putting money in a savings account that grows over time. It represents your ownership stake in the property and can be a valuable asset in the future. When it comes to home ownership, understanding PITI is essential. PITI stands for Principal, Interest, Taxes and Insurance, the four main components of your monthly mortgage payment. We've already covered principal and interest. Property taxes are annual taxes levied on the value of your property by local governments. These taxes fund essential services like schools and infrastructure. Homeowners insurance protects your property from damage caused by events like fire, theft, or natural disasters. Understanding PITI helps you budget effectively and avoid any surprises when it comes to your monthly housing expenses. Buying low, selling high strategies for success. One of the fundamental principles of real estate investing is to buy low and sell high. While it sounds simple, it requires careful planning, market research, and a bit of patience. Buying low means finding properties priced below market value, giving you instant equity. This could involve looking for distressed properties, negotiating skillfully, or spotting undervalued neighborhoods with growth potential. Selling high requires timing the market and understanding the factors that drive property values, such as location, amenities, and economic conditions. Remember, real estate is a long-term investment. By buying strategically and holding on to properties for the long haul, you can ride out market fluctuations and reap the rewards of appreciation. The power of language in real estate. Mastering real estate lingo is like learning a secret code that unlocks a world of opportunities. The more real estate terms you understand, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market confidently. Don't be afraid to ask questions, consult with experienced professionals, and immerse yourself in real estate resources. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll become. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of real estate, it can translate into significant financial gains. Never stop learning. The real estate market is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Make it a habit to read real estate books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and follow industry experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to identify opportunities, make informed decisions, and navigate the ever-changing real estate landscape. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in the world of real estate. Finding a mentor, your guide to success. Navigating the real estate world can be daunting, especially for beginners. That's where a mentor comes in. A mentor is an experienced investor who can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights based on their own experiences. A mentor can help you avoid costly mistakes, connect you with other professionals, and accelerate your learning curve. Finding a mentor can be as simple as reaching out to successful investors in your area or joining real estate investment groups. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. A mentor can be an invaluable asset on your journey to real estate success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on finance and real estate investments.